Hey everyone. So since my video of me eating in front of the camera called mukbang, since that video got some views on it, excuse me, I was going to make another mukbang video. So, oh my gosh. So, sorry about this. Sorry about that. I wasn't going to do no videos like for a while because my mom boyfriend is possible sick, like sick, not like sick with a cold something probably is wrong in his body. But anyway, I wasn't going to make no videos until it was all figured out, but I already took a month off of YouTube, and I just didn't want to take another basically a couple months off of YouTube because and everything like that. So no. Since my mukbang video got like views, I'm going to do another mukbang. Now, eating, this smells so good. I'm eating, breakfast patty, I forgot what it's called. But, believe it or not, I never had this. Believe it or not, I never had this. Now, from like when we used to go to McDonald's to get breakfast, I used to get this, but I haven't eaten one of these sauces. It's a sausage patty came to my head. So I haven't eaten this like I think in few years because it just makes my stomach hurts and it does make me sick. But it was either going to be doing a mukbang of me eating these or doing a mukbang of me eating Takis. And yeah. So let's get on to it. Uh, mm. So usually when my mom makes these in the morning, I'm not a fan of breakfast food. I can't have breakfast food. It's not breakfast time no more. It's 12:18 p.m. So anyway, but anyway, when my mom makes these salmon, I don't have it because I don't like. I don't like to. I can't eat in the morning time. If I eat in the morning time, my whole body will be hurting. Yeah. So um, by the way, I have something to drink. Um, the ginger ale. Like, I did mukbangs before. Like, the first time I did a mukbang was like a year ago. Mm, I think I ate like pizza. I think. But basically, I'm not a mukbang fanatic like other YouTubers. Like, Nicordo Avocado. Sorry if I'm pronounce his first name wrong, but Nico Vado Avocado. If y'all don't know him, he's a YouTuber. I think he's from Pennsylvania, but he stayed in um, Colombia, the country Colombia, with his now ex-husband. I look how greasy it is. Y'all can see that. Yeah, he stayed in the country Colombia for like a good little while, being with his now ex-husband. But anyway, y'all go check his videos out. His videos is all about mukbang. And like, I don't watch his videos like every day and all the time. But sometimes I like watch his videos. And like the last video I watched was when he ate a whole rotisserie chicken from Costco. And on that video, he says an update because I think he haven't made a video. I think over a year he haven't made a video. Look how greasy it is. I don't like my body changing now. I'm losing weight. I'm losing more weight, and I can't eat the foods that I used to eat. Like this, it's not on my table of food no more. I don't eat greasy foods. Believe it or not, I don't eat greasy foods no more. Yeah. That's why I stopped eating these. Now, these are sausage patties. But that's why I don't eat these literally no more because it's not just fattening, but it's so greasy. And yeah. But yeah. So we're not doing nothing today, but I'm going to really try to get the, um, look, now I'm feeling sick. Because it's so greasy. I haven't seen my sister in a couple days. Well, in basically 2 days. But, yeah. Yeah, I will eat this last piece. I don't feel good, but I will just hydrate myself with my water. I got Fiji water. I don't drink water like that, like I supposed to. But I bought Fiji water because I like how it's in that square bottle. Yeah. But anyway, anyway, today what I'm going to do is buy that thing on eBay. It's a sensory thing for people that have sensory processing disorder. Yeah, so I'm going to buy that and then I'm going to hopefully buy the tickets because the concert is Sunday. Yeah, excuse me. It's hot. I mean, it's not that hot. And because I got off, fortunately, I had my ear off all night long. All night long. It wasn't that hot in here like in China. It wasn't like that. But, um, it was, I got my air conditioner and my fan off to make this video. Um, I'm a little bit hot. So, my mom's birthday is, Tuesday. Yeah. My mom's birthday is Tuesday, next Tuesday, and my uncle's birthday is right after my mom's birthday. And then my little cousin's birthday October 22nd, and my birthday is October 24th. My little cousin is turning 5 years old. Yeah. Um, that's why I don't eat this stuff. Because you see the grease. It's just so greasy. Yeah, Savi, Savi is my sister. That's so crazy. Yeah, even you see my hand, crazy. Yeah, I had to drink because I don't feel good now thanks to that. And it's just so crazy. So, I hope you all like that video. Comment, subscribe.